Good morning, students. Welcome to maths class. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about question number 31, 32, and 33. So first of all, we take two questions 31 and 32 from words problem. So let's start with question number 31. In a village, there are 1,503 men, 1,378 women, and 112 children. Find the population of the village. Children, in this question, the population of men are given and the population of women are given and population of children are given. Now we find here the total population of the village. So let's start to find the answer. So first of all we write the population of the men. Population of equal to 1503. Population of women 1378. Population of children equal to 112. In this question we find the total population of the village, so we add the all the numbers. Total population of the village equal to, now add all the numbers. So we start with right side. 3 plus 8 11, and 11 plus 2 13. We will be right here 3, and we put 1 carry on tens place. 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 1 9. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, and 1 plus 1 2. Now we have 2993, the total population of the village. So now we take the next question. Question number 32. There are 932 students in a school. How many girls are there in the school if the number of boys are 324? In this question, the total students are given in a school, and number of boys are given here, and we find the number of girls. So first of all we write here number of students 932. Number of boys are given here. We will be right here number of boys 324. 24. In this question, children, we want to number of girls. So we subtract the number of boys from the total number of students. So we will be right here number of girls. Now we subtract both of number. So 4 subtract to 2, it's not possible. So we take the carry from the tens places and 2 convert into 12. And 3 take the carry from ones place. So it 3 convert into 2. Now 12 subtract to 4 and we get here 8. 2 subtract 2, we get here 0, and 9 subtract 2, 3, we get here 6. We have 608, the number of girls. Now children, we discuss about the shapes of the question number 33. First shapes are given here, cube. It's a cube shapes. And it says edge and face and vertex. So first of all we discuss about the edge. Two faces meet at, it's called an edge. Face, a face is the surface of a solid, it's called a face. And vertex, two edges meet at a point, it's called a vertex. So we discuss about the edges, and it cube has 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. In bottom side 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. It's called a edges. Now vertex, 8 vertex, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 vertex. Now let's see faces. 1 face, 2 face, 3 and bottom 4, front 5 and just opposite 6. It's a 6 faces of the cube. Similarly children, a cuboid also has 12 edges, 8 vertex and 6 face. Now we discuss about the cone. It's a cone shape and it has curved edge. It's called a curved edge. It's called a flat face, and it's called a curved face. Curved face. A cone has one flat face, one curved face, and one curved edge. 1, 1 and 1. Now in question number 4 we discuss about the cylinder, and a cylinder has curved edge 1, 2, 2 curved edge, and curved face are this, and 2 flat face 1 and 2. So flat face are given here two a cylinder has two flat face and curved edge has two and curved face are here one. Now children, we discuss about the sphere. Children, you have to play a ball, football. It's an example of the sphere. And a sphere has only one curved face and it has no edge and no vertex. With this, we finished lesson number 1. Today, I hope you understood. Tomorrow, we will meet again with a new lesson. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.